Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing really great. So welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I'm going to create another makeup tutorial. So for today I'm going to do a smoky wing liner. So if you want to know how did I just create the smoky wing liner, then please keep on watching. So first of all I'm going to apply the concealer all over my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend it out evenly all over my eyelid again, and after that I'm going to set that with some loose powder. And then I'm taking this brown shade from the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I'm just applying this on my crease as a transition shade. And then I'm going to create a wing liner with this Wet n Wild eyeliner, and you can also use gel liner, it's up to you. So I'm going to create a bit dramatic wing liner today for this look. Palette, I am taking this black shade, and with the help of a pencil brush I am putting this color on my wing part. Try to put it like very slowly, don't put a lot of colors all together, because obviously black is a very dark color. It can ruin the look very easily if you don't put it very carefully. Try to take a very small blending brush. I am using the pack 1 to 6 brush because you are gonna blend a very small part, because I want to smoke out, like I want to give that smoky effect on my wing part. So don't use any kind of like fluffy blending brush. You can also use a crease blending brush, that's okay, but don't use a fluffy blending brush. Moving to my face, I'm going to start by applying primer. So today I'm going to apply the PAC Pore Primer, and this primer is such a good primer. It's really good for dry skin people. It smoothens your skin and it hydrates your skin as well. And for foundation, today I'm going to use a Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade Warm Sand. This foundation is a little bit of lighter than my skin tone, so I use few drops of Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Toffee, and then I apply this all over my face. And to blend that out, I'm going to use a PAC Beauty Blender. to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm going to highlight my face. So I'm going to apply this on the highest point of my face, like underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid bow, as well as on my chin. And next, to set everything, the foundation, the concealer, I'm going to apply the Rcma No Color powder, and I'm also gonna bake my face with this today. To give the very sun-kissed look, I'm going to apply the Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed bronzer. I really love this bronzer. It may not look very good on fair skin people, but it's really gonna look nice like to tan to dark skin people. It gives a like very metallic kind of look. I really love this like bronzer. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminator, and I'm going to put that on the highest point of my face, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead, on my brow bone, on my cupid bow, and also on my chin. After that, to add some color on my cheeks, I am taking the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and from here I am taking this pink shade and I am applying this on the apple of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna apply the Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline, and I'm going to smudge that a little bit with the pencil brush. After that, I'm applying the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cans. And last, I'm applying the MAC Fix Plus all over my face. So that's all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in all of my social media sites. Everything will be linked in the description box. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye.